Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Turbo AI alternative. So here I'll be giving some alternative apps for Turbo AI. So these apps you can find them on iPhone and also on Android. So I suggest using this if your Turbo AI doesn't work or if it's a little bit bugging, something like that. If you're having issues or if you want to try something new like Turbo AI but different app. So this video is for you. So now let's start it off. So our first app is High Note. So High Note right here. High Noter on the High Noter right here. High Noter. It's like also like Turbo AI as you can see right here. There you go. High Noter's automatic describes meeting, extract summaries and action items, and it has 4.5 stars and over 3,000 reviews for the AI note taker. And next is we have the Study Fetch. Study Fetch is like a broader, call this a much more broad sense right here. It has over 4.7 stars and 27k reviews. When that's a lot of reviews right there. And the last alternative that I would give to you guys is the last one I'll be giving you guys is for the Google users out there, Notebook LM. So just type in Notebook LM. Notebook LM. Right here, Google Notebook LM with over 125k reviews and 4.9 stars, which is one of the toughest ones here that contend with this Turbo AI. So those are the alternatives for Turbo AI that you can use. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions and concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible here at Guide Glimpse. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.